Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that in the figure find tan P minus cot R, and the given figure is a right angle triangle with PQR and it is right angle at Q, and PQ is equal to 12 centimeter, PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question, from the figure we need to find out tan P minus cot R, and the given figure is like, it is the triangle like PQR, right angled at Q, and PQ is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. Now the ask is like tan P minus cot R. Okay guys, so guys, what we need to do, first of all I will tell one thing very clearly, that let us remember for trigonometry only sine, cos and tan. Once we remember to which sides we need to consider for the sine, cos and tan, we can very well extract the other things like cot, sec and cosec, because it would be very easy to remember only three things. Instead of remembering many things, let us focus on sine, cos and tan, and from these three we can extract the other things. Okay, and you will see I will also utilize that trick and I will find out cot R. Okay, now guys, we could see that here we have the units for two sides, and for one side like QR we don't have the units. Now guys, whenever we see a triangle for trigonometry with the units of two sides, definitely first of all blindly let us move ahead and find out the missing side, unit for the missing side, and we very well know that we can use the Pythagoras theorem and we can find out the missing side. Now this is PR is the hypotenuse, so I can write PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Our task is to find out QR, so I can write QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square, or I can write QR square is equal to PR square is 13 centimeter, so 13 square minus PQ square is 12 square, so that is equal to 169. 13 into 13 is 169 minus 12 into 12 is 144, so that is equal to 25. Or I can write QR is equal to root over of 25, that is equal to 5. So guys, we are able to find out the value of QR as 5 centimeter. Now the question is asking us to find out tan P minus cot R. So let us first of all find out tan P. What is tan P? Okay, so guys, we very well know that our focus is currently on angle P, and we know that tan P is side opposite to angle P, which is nothing but QR, divided by adjacent side to angle P, which is nothing but PQ. That is equal to QR here is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, let's take 5 only, divided by 12. So guys, we are able to find out tan P as 5 by 12. Let us make it as equation 1. Now cot R, let's say I don't know, as I told you, I don't know how to find out cot R. So what I will do, let me first find out tan R, because I know tan R very well, the formula for tan R. Now here our angle is moving to R, so here my focus is moving, also our focus should move to angle R. Okay, now tan R is equal to side opposite to angle R, which is nothing but PQ, divided by adjacent side to angle R, which is nothing but QR. Therefore cot R I can write is 1 by tan R, that is equal to tan R 1 by tan R, so that is equal to tan R is PQ by QR, so I can write QR by PQ. Therefore cot R is equal to QR as 5 centimeter, 5 upon PQ is 12. Let us make it as equation 2. So we got tan P as 5 by 12 and cot R is 5 by 12. Therefore we can write tan P minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 from equation 1 minus 5 by 12 from equation 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore tan P minus cot R is equal to 0. Guys, you could see that we are able to find out the value of tan P minus cot R as 0. So that's all, guys. I believe you understood this calculation or this process. This process is very simple and very easy. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.